Okay, going back to our discussion, our topic now is about payout period. As defined class, this is the time that is required for you to recover your investment. And as expressed here, this is equal to your depreciable fixed capital investment over cash flow. But what is depreciable fixed capital investment? That is the difference between your first cost of your fixed capital investment minus salvage value. Your cash flow, on the other hand, is equal to your net profit plus annual depreciation. As I have discussed previously, depreciation is a cost, but it is not an out-of-pocket cost, meaning you do not spend it. You only record it as a cost, as part of your manufacturing cost, but no money is being spent. This just deducted from the value of your fixed capital investment. And that is why we have this equation. Okay. This equation is this, your payout period without interest is equal to fixed capital investment minus salvage value. Take note, ganyan. This is your FCI minus salvage value over net profit plus annual depreciation. Okay? Well, this one, which is the same, depreciable fixed capital investment over cash flow. Nakita nyo itong cash flow nga gin-discuss na itong bago lang, itong mga 36,000 blah. Okay, in this particular case, amo na yung mga annual cash flow mo, which is equal to your net profit also plus your annual depreciation. That is if there is no interest. But if there is interest, then you have to add to this. Depreciable fixed capital investment mo, dugang mo na siya sang interest. Paano mo na makuha ang interest mo? Okay, therefore, ang interest mo, base sa imo nga total capital investment. Okay, therefore, kung may investment ka bilit, I say, in this particular case, sabi mo 111 million, muna yung mga TCI, total capital investment. After, let's say, 6 years na, after 6 years, kung 12% ang interest mo, dapat ang imong 111, may mo na siya nga 111 times 0.12, abigin gamit ito 0.12, raised to the power 6. Therefore, the difference between 111 million and its future worth, that is your interest. Therefore, ang interest mo sina is, ang interest mo would be equal to your 111 times 1.12 raised to the power 6 minus 111. Amo na nga kung i-factor mo siya, may mo na siya nga total capital investment times 1 plus I raised to the power 6 minus 1. Hindi rin na nagaling equation. No? TCI times 1 plus I raised to the power n minus 1. Nga kaya nyo again, ang 111 mo after 6 years, may mo siya nga 1.12 raised to the power 6. Kaya ang interest na is the difference between sa future worth siya kag present worth siya, which is 100 million. Any question, class, regarding this one? Arjun? Wala?
Okay, sir.
Jimmy?
Salamat, sir. Okay na.
Jimmy do. Sobragan ni Jimmy nga daw ay guro siya. Jim, wala ka da.
Ako, sir?
Sige kung may question ka. Wala?
Wala, sir. Wala.
Okay, pero sino ka ginato ka balo ka aton yung mga question niya rada sa problem set. Kapulo pari wala na always please check the value or the figures that are relevant to the question. Okay, damo na sila figures. Sometimes some of the figures are not relevant, meaning you don't have to use them in solving the problem. Okay, for example, sini, you have the same problem. Kagina, hindi ba? Can you see this, Jimmy? Kita mo ni?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore, total fixed capital investment is 100, working capital is 11,000, salvage value is 10,000, service life 6 years. Net profit, galing is given as 21,000. Therefore, what is the payout period without interest? Ang atong kagining formula to is depreciable fixed capital investment, okay, over cash flow. The whole of this one la, depreciable pa. If you are going to really express in the equation, this is fixed capital investment minus salvage value over what is this? Miss Baligwat?
Net profit, sir.
The whole of this net profit plus depreciation equals?
CF, sir.
Ano ang CF? Bago ko lang natudlo na po. Bago pa mati. Cash flow. Nagets mo na?
Sir.
Net
Nagsulat.
profit plus depreciation equals cash flow. Amo na siyang botilingon. Okay? Muna definition gidya sang payout period. Fixed capital investment minus salvage value over cash flow. Ayos na. Okay. Therefore, what is our fixed capital investment? 100. What is our salvage value? 10. What is our service life? Is 6. Therefore, your annual depreciation is 15,000. Gets? Gising ka sa bato. Carl?
Yes, sir.
Okay lang?
Oo, sir.
Okay. Therefore, substitute values, depreciable fixed capital investment is difference between fixed capital investment and salvage value. Therefore, 100,000, which is this. Okay? Tanya ni? This is your 100,000. No? Amo ni siya. Ang 10,000 niya is amo ni. Okay? Amo ni 10,000. Ano ito? So, hindi mo. Arigli ako. Salvage value. Salvage value na yan. Okay. Okay, therefore, ang imong 100,000 isa mo na, ang imong salvage value isa mo ni, and then, of course, ang imong service life is 6 years. Therefore, your annual depreciation is 15,000 pesos per year. Okay. Substituting in this equation, which is fixed capital investment minus service value, okay, 100,000 minus 10,000. Please take note ka mo maniging gamit mo di pag-solve ng annual depreciation mo. Minus 10,000. This is your depreciable fixed capital investment, which is this one. Okay. Over cash flow. What is cash flow? Net profit plus annual depreciation. Therefore, your N is equal to 2.5 years. Question?
Sir.
Yes?
Nga sa end di sir sa dalom sir nga sir why na nadagin include ang year sir raw?
Because ang formula tariyo, hindi lang formula is fixed capital investment minus salvage value over cash flow. Ang year na iya, yung gamit natin mag-compute niya sa depreciation.
Sige sir. Okay sir.
Fixed capital investment minus salvage value over L. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay na? Sige, ano pa? Anong pang question? Krisya, any question? Krisya, tulog rin. Krisya, may question wala? You sure? Oh, Panuela, may question wala? Okay. Now we can proceed, ha? Kung may interest, the same question, pero may interest. Kagin natin, wala tayong interest, ha? Area may interest. Kung may interest, kaunta is depreciable fixed capital investment plus interest. Now, if there is interest, basta may interest gani, ang gamito nyo dayon nga depreciation would be sinking fund. Therefore, this is sinking fund formula. Dibla? Therefore, your formula and depreciation is sinking fund. Depreciable fixed capital investment na bumigapon is 100,000 minus the salvage value which is 10,000. Therefore, kanina is niya straight line to. Ang gingamit natin sinking fund. Therefore, 11,664.66. Ang average cash flow mo naman, among to gyapon, no? Net profit mga 21,000, galing kay depreciation mo sumong naglain na 11,664.66 because gingamit natin is sinking fund. Therefore, ang imong N is equal to 0.4 years. Miss Kumban, any question? Miss
Answer.
Kumban. Miss Sari.
Answer.
Okay. Well, let's erase this. Kung wala na. Dylan, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, therefore, this will answer your question last night. You asked me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Therefore, you listen carefully. Okay, another problem. Okay. Ang given siya is cash flow na. Therefore, suppose ni. Okay, given ang cash flow, ang magyapon, working capital is 11,000, salvage value is 10,000, service life is 6 years. Given ang cash flow, therefore it is here. We start with the same formula, which is depreciable fixed capital investment plus interest. That's why if you're going to go on this is really your fixed cost minus salvage value, that is your depreciable fixed capital, plus interest over cash flow. No. Muna mga N. This is your N. And as I have discussed a while ago, your interest is equal to your total capital investment. Ang interest mo your total capital investment times 1 plus I raised to the power L minus 1. Dira siya nagalina. That is your interest. Interest is equal to total capital investment, which is the total of fixed capital investment, which is 100,000, and your working capital, which is 11,000. Ni siya. Therefore, mo na nga 111,000 siya. Okay? Therefore, your interest is, meaning your payout period is 4.88 years. Jason, question?
Sir.
Miss Tapel?
Answer.
Rysel?
Sir,
Rysel?
ako sir, may question ko, sir.
Pardon? Again?
May question ko, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Ang kagilay, sir, nga gigamitan to depreciation tapos area sa bang wala depreciation.
Because given mo, ang imo is cash flow na. Diba? Cash flow na to kagina.
Pwede ito mabalik.
Kagina hindi given ang cash flow. So mo ang depreciation. Okay? Okay. Area given is net profit, di ba? Kita mo?
Oo, sir. Kita, sir.
Net profit ang given. Di ka ginapangita cash flow. Kung isolve mo na yung annual depreciation. Because kabalo kita nga ang cash flow is equal to net profit plus annual depreciation. Copy?
Okay, sir. Copy, sir. Gets.
Okay, get mo na. Pwede kung kita mo na, ginlain ko lang ang inlain ko lang na given a net profit, area is given in cash flow. Okay, cash flow yung given subong niya. Tapos niya, kay given ang cash flow na. Kung given gani ang net profit, sulbon mo kita ang depreciation. Okay? Clear? Tapos niya. Okay. Ped, any question? Wala? Michelle, are you still there? Wala na.
Wala. Sir, question, sir.
Nadalan. It's like this. This is a very simple assumption. Simplistic or simplified or too simplistic, where you are going to invest on something and want to operate it perpetually. And how are you going to do that? You are going to project the amount of money that you need in order to maintain or replace your equipment such that it will operate perpetually. And this is represented by this equation, A, which is the capitalized cost, is equal to initially fixed cost na siya, no? Fixed cost. But it may also be equal to total capital investment. Okay. Ang simplistic approach is there is no working capital, then this is fixed cost. But if there is working capital, then that is total capitalized cost. Okay? Now, paano tani i-attain yung objective? Okay. It's like this. Kung magbakal ko kung magbakal ko sa equipment, let's say, ang total capital investment, fixed capital fixed capital investment is 100 million. Okay? And then, ang salvage value ko is 10 million. Okay? 10 million. Tapos, ang interest, let's say, is 10% lang. 10% per annum. And then, ang L ko is equal to 5. Okay, 5. And then, ang 10 million. Okay, ang pamangkot ko is every start or every 5 years, dapat ang kwarta ko mabalik sa original, which is your capitalized cost. What is this? Therefore, kung mag-invest ko sa 100 million, okay, therefore I need 100 million, correct? Therefore, after 1 year, I need to spend anong nabutang di 10 million. Correct, class? 10 million kada amo ning repair and maintenance ko. Repair and maintenance ko 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 10, that's 10, that's 10. Okay. Therefore, how much I'm going to invest so that there is no end on me spending 10 million every year. Ang imuon ko lang sinais, ang 10 million ko, divide ko lang sa 0.1, which is equal to 100 million. Nag-gets nyo, class? Wala.
What's ang explanation, sir?
Okay.
Okay lang.
Okay. I'm going to need 10 million para sa repair and maintenance ko. Okay? Nag-gets nyo?
Okay,
If
sir.
I have money, which na-solve ko na is 100 million, ma-achieve ko na. Why? Because at the start, at zero, may 100 million ko. Okay? After 1 year, pilang earn niya kung mag 10%.
10 million, sir.
Okay, 10 million. I'm going to spend 10 million. Pag start sang second year, pilang kwarta ko? 100 million yapon. Correct?
Hindi siya mag 110 million, sir. Kaya may 10%.
Sige, nag-spend ka sang repair and maintenance mo.
Okay. Sige, sir. Gets.
Nag-gets mo na? May 100 million
Choppy ka, sir.
ga-earn sang 10%. Therefore, every year, ga-earn siya sang 10 million. Ha? Nag-gets mo na?
Na-get, sir. Baliga gasto. Magaliga po. Sa may ano niya.
But sige lang, hindi maubos ang kwarta mo. Because what you are spending is only the interest of your money. Nag-gets mo?
Get, sir. Get, sir.
Okay. Now, therefore, dugang mo na sa imo kwanto. Dugang mo sa imo 100 million mo. Therefore, initially, may 100 plus 100 ka na. Which is equal to 200 million. Okay? Nag-gets mo
sir.
na?
Gets na, sir.
Okay. Every year, I have to replace this. Ang 100 million ko nga kwan. Nga fixed capital investment. Nag-gets mo? Paano ko na every 5 years, may 100 million ko. Okay. Ang on ko is I'm going to invest something which after 5 years will give me 100 million interest. Do you copy?
Copy, sir.
Okay, therefore, gusto ko may 100 million ko every 5 years. And what is that equal to? Ang imo nga kuana, ang imo nga imuon is ang imo nga capitalized cost, no? Will be equal to on something which will give you 100 million. Di ang imo imuon sina is ma-set aside ka sang kwarta which will earn interest so that after 5 years mahimo siya nga 100 million. Therefore, ano na siya? That would be equal to your anong amount na nga dapat every 5 years may 100 million ka. At 10%. Ang KM is equal to what? Minus sa base value mo Dato sa base value mo 10 million, di ba?
Sir.
Over what? Diretso na lang. Oops. Okay. Anyway, naintindihan mo na may sample problem sa next page. Para na ito magbalik-balik. Okay. Okay, like an explanation. What is the capitalized cost of an equipment which has an initial fixed capital investment of 25 million, annual maintenance cost of 2 million, and 4 million every 2 years. Service life of 10 years with salvage value of 0.5 million. Okay. Sige lang, balo ko sa imo kagina to. Ang imo nga total capitalized cost should be equal to your fixed cost, which is 25 million. And this is your annual repair and maintenance. Naget nyo kaginani how we solve it? Okay? And this is the amount that you need every every 10 years. And this is the amount that you need every 2 years. Okay. Para maintindihan nyo, balik na to. Okay. Balik na to sa, what you call this, sa daan ng equation. No? Para makita nyo kung nga na muna siya. Okay? No. Can you see this equation para ma-relate nyo? Interest, that is the replacement or repair and maintenance cost mo based on your schedule. Therefore, your repair and maintenance cost mo either annual or either every 2 years, or it may be in the form of replacement, which in this case, every 10 years. Sa ato nga problem. Okay, this is like this. Okay? Your I is equal to replacement cost mo na or repair and maintenance cost mo. That is your interest. Can you still remember what I explained? That you will never run out of money because what you will be spending is only the interest of your money? Jimmy? Nag-gets mo to?
Oh, sir, nag-guess ko to, sir.
Okay. Therefore, that is your replacement cost. And that interest would be equal to the future worth of your money minus your investment. Just like Blagagina, saging sample na to. Okay? Inuna ko ni para makita nyo ang relevance. Ibalik ko. Therefore, siling ko, just like sini, every years to na sa problem, every 10 years to, hindi ba? Did I get it right? A class? Did I get it right? Wait, sa ba to?
Oo, sir.
Okay. Therefore, it's like this. Ang interest mo per me, which is your replacement cost, whether it is maintenance or replacement cost mo, is equal to the future worth of your investment minus sa imo nga investment, which is P. Correct? Therefore, which is, ano ni siya? Which is your P times 1 plus I raised to the power N minus your P. That's why it's equal to 1 plus I raised to the power N minus P. In this particular case, kay replacement cost of the equipment, usually this is L. Nag-guess nyo, class? If this is the equipment, kung amo ng equipment mo, okay, this is your fixed capital investment, ang imong P is times 1 plus I raised to the power L minus 1. Okay? Kaya mo ni kwarta mo, ang imo nga kwarta would be your P, i-multiply mo sa imo sa future worth, i-minus mo sa imo investment, ang guwais na interest. Therefore, your money will not run out. Hindi mo ubos ang kwarta mo because what you are spending will always be your interest. Di kayo, amuning F mo, amuning imo nga kwarta. Okay? Future worth sa imo nga P. The difference between them would be your replacement cost or maintenance cost, which is your I. Therefore, annual, you still have the same amount of money when you started. Because what you will be spending is only the interest of your money. Now, look at this. Class, nakita niyo yung equation ni class? Class.
Oo,
Everybody,
sir.
Kita,
please
sir?
pay attention.
Yes, sir.
This becomes CR over I when your N is equal to 1. 1, this equation is CR over I because 1 plus I raised to the power 1 is 1 plus I. Minus 1 equals I. Nag-guess nyo ito na? Nakita nyo? Okay. Can you see, class? The general equation
Yes,
is like
sir.
this.
Yes, sir.
But tingala ka mo nga kung annual gani, I na lang ginabutang, hindi na amuning. If this is L, then 10. 1 plus I raised to the power 10 minus 1. Amo nang replacement mo sa imo nga equipment. Okay? Ano ang replacement cost mo sa equipment? That is the difference between the fixed capital investment and salvage value. Okay. Therefore, balik na to sa aton nga problem. Okay. Maintindihan na ninyo na, I'm sure. Okay. That's the problem, class. The fixed capital investment is 25 million. Annual maintenance cost of 2 million and 4 million every 2 years. Service life of 10 years. With salvage value of 0.5 million. Okay. Now, ang 25 million, that is your, ano 25 million, class? Camille, ano 25 million? Dealer gun. Wala na siya.
Ang fixed capital investment, sir.
Okay, that is your fixed capital investment. What is 25 minus 0.5? Camille, ikaw gyapon.
Depreciable fixed capital investment, sir.
Correct. Because after 10 years, you still have pila to? 0.5 million. Di ba nga salvage value? Gets?
Yes, sir.
Camille.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, ang imong na lang kinahanglan is the difference between the two, which is 24.5 million. And you need this every 10 years. Ang 2 million nga aging divide na lang ani sa 0.12. Camille? Why did we just divide it by 0.12? Camille? Ay, hindi na niya man. Girgan, where are you? Are you still
Tungod
there?
sa interest, sa
Because this is annual,
Picture.
ginampal ko na, wala mo ko pamatiin. Nibla, oh.
Ayun.
Instead of 12, 1 na siya. Therefore, 1 plus 0.12 raised to the power 1 is 1.12. Minus 1 equals 0.12. Gets?
Yes, sir.
Rysel? Rysel?
Yes, sir.
Amo na 0.12 lang in-explain ko ginana. Kung n mo equals 1, okay, when n equals 1, may mo na lang siya nga, what? Ano siya? Your k is equal to, ano? CR over I. Because ang 1 plus I raised to the power 1 is 1 plus I. Minus mo so 1 equals I. Okay na? Any question regarding this one? Christian? Araneta?
Wala naman, sir.
Tumunong?
None, sir.
Arby?
None, sir. Gets man na.
Mystica? Mystica pa man ko. Mystica?
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear ni? Clear?
Oo, sir.
Okay, sige. Pero wala man pulos ng overtime dito nga wala man di man yung maintindihan. Okay. May try that in your seats. Tanawang tabi ko sino mo ka volunteer. At again, sir, nyo. Initial cost of the equipment is 100,000. Salvage value of 20,000 after 5 years. And maintenance cost of 10,000 every year. Cost of money is 10%. What is capitalized cost? 5 minutes.
Sir,
Sir,
Answer?
331.
331,037.98.
Okay, correct. Kita nyo, sa ganun sa inyo. Therefore, substitute mo lang. Okay. Okay. Explain ko sa inyo ha, kung paano nagamuna. Okay, therefore, class, mati kay importante ni. Butchilingon, at time zero, ang kwarta mo is 331,037.98. Okay? Amo naging compute nyo, correct? Class, is this correct? Amo naging compute nyo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, therefore, at zero time lang, pag uyat mo isang 331,037.98 kaysa zero time na mo. Bakal ka sang equipment ka na worth 100,000. Okay? Copy?
Copy, sir.
Okay, therefore ang kwarta ang inawiyatan mo is 231,037.98. Tandaan nyo ang amount ha? 231,037.98. Okay. After 1 year, bilang kinanglan mo, kada tuig gagasto ka 10,000. Correct? Class, kamukong ko na eh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Minus, may gasto ka nga 10,000, but ang kwarta mo nga 231,037.98 will earn 10% interest. Therefore, multiply mo na sa 1.1. Correct?
Oo, sir.
Less mo
Sir.
10,000, at the end of the year, ang kwarta mo is 244,241.778. Sa second year, it will earn again interest nga 10%. But you are going to spend 10,000.